F-150 matte black armored grill the right way. All right, guys, so this right here is the OEM grill on a 2013 F-150 FX2 Sport. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to remove this OEM grill and put on the matte black armored grill. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to flip this over because we've already put the grill on, but I want to show you exactly what you're getting yourself into. All right, guys, so let's start with the back of the OEM grill. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 studs that's going to be at the top with 10mm nuts on them, okay? You're going to have to take those out first. Now, once you take those out, if you go over here, kind of look up here at the top, you got one over here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got to take all of those nuts off first. Once you take those off, you got this bracket right here. This bracket is to strengthen the grill itself. It's a 10mm here, and it's another bracket on this side, and it's a 10mm here. Once you take out those 6 10mm, and then the one here and the one here, which is 8, you're gonna pull the hood down, and right across the top here you have push like locking tabs. Now if you go back over here to the old OEM grill, you got 1 locking tab, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, so you have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to snap those out too. Now once you get all of that loose, the whole bumper is going to come off. Now when you go back to this one, this metal bracket here, you have to take this off of the OEM and put on the new grill. If you look in here, this bracket has 6 screws in it. They are T25 screws. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 at the end right there. You have to take all of those loose to be able to take off this bracket here. This is on the OEM grill. You have to take it off to put it on the new armored grill. It's to make it sturdy. That's all it is. It's a brace to brace the grill, make the grill stronger. Just remember, when you're taking the old grill off, some of these clips here are going to break. If you look at them, most of them came out, but this one right here broke. This one right here broke. So when you're putting in the new grill, once you snap it in, I wouldn't pull it out again. You pull it out again, you're probably going to break it. And make sure that when you're tightening down these 10mm, that you don't over tighten them, because you can break this also. Okay, now you can kind of see the way I have the wires to the light running. I just got it running up, over, back through here, and then it goes down, and then it goes behind the hood insulation right here. It's behind it, and then it goes through and comes down. I got it coming down through here. So the wire comes down, and I have it spliced into this side marker park light. Now I chose this light because this light comes on as a courtesy. So once you unlock your door or you turn on your park lights, this light comes on, which will make the grill light come on. So to pull out this light, you have 3 screws. You have a 10mm here, a 10mm here, and then right behind this insulation, you have one here also. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take these out. 2, and then it's 1 in here too. So you got 3. You're gonna grab the light from this corner right here and from the side, and you're gonna just kind of wiggle it back and forth until you can free it. It'll come loose, just like that. So now we got the whole thing out. What I'm gonna do is show you how I have it wired. Now if we kind of just clear it up a little bit. Now the red power wire is going to the green and yellow wire right here. Green and yellow, red is going to that. Then the black wire, which is the ground, is going to the green and black wire. Now the reason that I ran it to this is a park light. This light will come on when you unlock the doors. This light will come on when you turn on your park lights, turn your headlights on. This light's on, so that means that your grill will come on when this light comes on. That's the reason why I ran it to this light. Some people run them to the headlights, but I would rather put it on the park light itself. So we're gonna go ahead and put everything back together. Lock it in. Now it's locked in. Then we're gonna slide the light back in. Make sure you line it up with the holes in the inside back there, like this, and then just push back. Now that light's in. We're gonna put the screws back in. One here. And then one in the front right here. And then just put this back up, just like that. And that's it, guys. That's how you run the power to the actual grill. Make sure when you put this brace back on the bottom of the grill right here, make sure that you put these plastic pieces back on. There's 2 of them, one on this side and it's one on the other side also. So make sure these plastic pieces go back on before you put the screw in. And remember, those are T25 screws. Let's let you see how this monster look. Oh yeah, that looks good. Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D. back with another video. Make sure you take a look at my descriptions area. I have a lot of great things, a lot of great links in there. Please pay attention to the description area and give me some likes. Alright, I'm out.